Hey, it's Ari here. How are you doing? Hopefully you're doing well. In today's video, I want to talk specifically about how to get started as an affiliate marketer. So if you're looking to get into affiliate marketing, you're looking to, build a business through affiliate marketing. I'd like to say if you are completely brand new here, feel free to hit the subscribe button. That's pretty much what my channel is all about. I talk about affiliate marketing, growing an online business, network marketing as well. If you're looking to get into that, this could be really helpful if you're doing network marketing. But ultimately, I want to really talk about how to get started as an online marketer and how you could pretty much, promote products, earn commissions off of them. What is the best way to get started? So that's essentially what I'm going to be talking about in this video. Anyway, so the very first thing that I recommend right off the bat is you get into some sort of mentorship program. If you are completely brand new and, say you've had no, prior success, getting, results promoting products, I recommend that you start with a good mentorship program. And if you want to learn about affiliate marketing, you want to like go into depth, there is like a link in the description. You could, there's a free webinar you could attend. So if you want to check that out, feel free to do that. But anyways, you want to make sure that you are in some sort of mentorship program that will really show you how to get started. That is pretty much what I recommend because, when it comes to promoting anything online, whether you're looking to promote, affiliate products or network marketing or whatever it is that you're looking to do, it is something that generally may take some time to really learn the skills necessary. And if you are just kind of, um, if you aren't really learning from someone that has the results that you already want, it's going to be very difficult for you to, get the results for, quite a while. You're going to end up going through lots of trial and error, lots of confusion. And, that's pretty much what happened to me. My first 2 years online, I was constantly um, trying all these different methods on how to, promote products. And ultimately, it just kind of led me to, feeling confused overall, very overwhelmed, and it just took me a while to really figure out exactly how to really do this properly. So that is like the really the first thing that I highly recommend is you find some sort of mentorship program, and on top of that you also want to see if you could find a good offer to promote, a high converting offer, something that is a really it's in a booming industry, a booming niche, and you could pretty much promote it. You could use some of the tools that they provide. If you are just getting started, that is a great way to get started. Is you leverage what's given to you, but then also as you're going through a mentorship program, you take the time to really learn the skills necessary, so that this way you could aim to become an independent marketer down the line. So I think it's great. If you're first getting started, it's great to leverage things that are working, like pre-built funnels and pre-built pre-written emails that you could use to send to your customers that opt in. But ultimately, what you should aim to do is you should always aim to be your own independent marketer, where this is where people they recognize you as someone that is unique and not just your average affiliate that just another affiliate that's promoting product X or whatever it is. So you know what I mean. So you want to really aim to be an independent marketer, and that also kind of stems into finding a good mentorship program to get involved in. If you are in a good mentorship program and you are learning step by step what to do, that is really I think the number one thing that you must have in order to really go from where you are now to where it is you want to be. Whether you're looking to make an extra $1,000 a month, extra 2,000, whatever it is that you're looking to do. It really stems from being in a good mentorship program. So ultimately, once you decide, what niche that you decide to go into, you decide what type of products you want to promote. You want to start with, first building a community. And really, the best way to do this is you have, what you do is you pick a product that you want to promote, whatever it is, whether it's like a mentorship program you join, maybe you got value out of a certain training program you're going through, or maybe it's certain products on ClickBank. What you want to do is you want to start with building out sales funnels, your own custom sales funnels that are pretty much unique to you, and they focus on not just the actual product itself, but more on your brand and how you could help your customers solve that specific problem that they are facing. So, for instance, if it's something like in like the in the weight loss niche, or something like with in regards to like health and wellness. You pick a product that is in that niche, and you make it all about you pretty much build your own custom sales funnel where it's got like your own videos, your own emails, and you are not only just promoting the product, but you're more so sharing your story and your experience with going through the actual product yourself. And this way, people can really get to know you better. And once they get to know you, then it's going to be much more, they're going to be a lot more comfortable with actually buying from you, because they'll see that you are a real, genuine person. They'll see that you're putting out value out there. And when you're doing that, then this really helps with separating you from, everyone else that's just promoting the same thing. You know what I mean? Because there's a lot of really great products out there to promote, but also, most people who decide to promote something, they're pretty much doing what the masses are doing. They're pretty much, they got their affiliate links, they're spamming them all over the place, they're shoving a product down someone's throat. And, the thing is, like, yes, you could have, the best product in the world. You could have, the best compensation plan if you're promoting like a network marketing company. But if you aren't really aiming to be unique, then it's going to be very difficult for you to, stand out from everyone else. And, ultimately, it's just going to kind of, you're going to end up where, you are promoting this overly saturated product to, an audience that either seen that offer multiple times over and over again, or they've seen plenty of similar products like that. So you want to really aim to, be unique and really focus on learning how you could brand yourself. Because when you can do this, then you could pretty much promote whatever it is you want. When you have that that community that you've built up, and they know, like, and trust you, you build up that trust factor by putting out value out there, content like, videos or blogs. If you have like a blog that you've built up, that's really those are really things that you could, share with your audience. You could put out value out there. You could put out information that they're looking for. You could answer questions that they have, whatever it is that they're looking for. And when you really focus on this, it really helps with, really helping you stand out from everyone else. So that's really the thing that you want to focus on, because in the long run, this is really going to help with, getting you above average results. And you want to really aim to not just be like everyone else, but you want to aim to really be unique. And this is ultimately what will help you get the long-term results that you really want. So if you're looking to do like this, like full time, really building your brand is really a must. You got to really be focusing on building your own personal brand. Sorry, there's like, if you see me like kind of looking like off to the side, there's like, kind of birds like flying around me. But you really got to be focusing on building your own brand up. And when you do this, and you really focus on building a community of people who trust you, this is really what will help with, getting them much more comfortable to buy something from you, because they'll see that you're genuine, and they'll see that you're putting out lots of value. And this is ultimately what will attract people to you. This is what will help with getting them to know, like, and trust you. And that's pretty much the message I want to put out there. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know what you thought in the comments section down below. Share this with anyone whom you feel could benefit. And if you'd like to learn how you could build a successful business online through affiliate marketing, or you're looking to do network marketing as well, whatever it is you're looking to promote online, there is a link in the description below, a free webinar you could attend. And that's going to show you how you could become your own independent marketer, where you aren't depending on some system to do all the selling for you. You aren't depending on, some pre-built page to, do all the selling for you, because ultimately that's just not what you want in the long run. If you're looking to create, full-time income, I highly recommend that you really aim to be unique. So that's really what you'll learn in this webinar, is really how to be your own independent marketer, where you aren't depending on someone else, but this really helps with setting you up to succeed in pretty much anything you promote. So again, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know what you thought in the comments. Share this with anyone whom you feel could benefit, and take care.